Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Rita. Today I'm preparing garlic and Parmesan chicken topped with bacon. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay guys, here is the finished product. I think they turned out pretty good. And if you think so too, go ahead and hit the like button, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you will not miss out on my future uploads. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Take care.